Hey, it's Dimensional Pickup Truck Plus SUV Talk. I'm here with my buddy Scott from Secure Sling Strap. We got some new Slider 360s. It's a new invention they've come up with. It's pretty damn cool, and Scott's here to tell you all about it.
Thanks, Tim. So the Slider 360 was actually created to solve a very specific problem. You see here we have the utility trailer. This one's actually an angle iron. We do have three varieties. I'll talk more about that here in a second. But if you look along the trailer here, you'll see there's no D-rings, there's no mount points. All you have are these four into the floorboard, which doesn't offer you a whole lot of versatility in how you're actually securing loads. And so what the Slider 360 allows you to do is allows you to have either a D-ring attachment or a winch attachment. And you can actually place that anywhere on the trailer, on the rail. It's really easy. You slide it on, you tighten it up, and then you're good to go. You're not limited to just the rail. You can get creative depending on where your load's going to be. So for example, here we have a spot on the wheel well. It works exactly the same way. You take it, you slide it on. Oops. Unscrew it a bit. You slide it on. You tighten it up. And now you have a mount point at that spot right there. We've also got a stake pocket. The stake pocket is actually really easy. So it comes with a ring right here so you can pull it. It comes with a locking mechanism. These have been tested and they fit most commercial stake pockets, whether they be C channels or what have you. It's really simple. You drop it in. You take your bar, you put it through, you put the lock on, and you're good to go. So these are the angle iron winch attachment, a stake pocket winch attachment, a D-ring stake pocket attachment, and then also the angle iron D-ring. We have one more, that's for the tube top, and we're going to go talk to Swede, and he'll show us how that one works. All right, so here we are, Swede. This here is actually the tube top, square top version of the Slider 360. The reason we're using Swede is, as you can see right here, Swede doesn't actually have any true mount points on his body, and his bed frame is actually a tube. And so this is a perfect opportunity to demonstrate the Slider 360 on the bed of a truck. It works just the same way as before. Here we have it on. You unscrew it, tighten it. Maybe you want a D-ring instead. To do that, you slide it wherever you need it to be. You tighten it up. And now you have a mount point attachment directly onto the bed of your truck. So there you have it. This is the Slider 360. It will be available in the fall of this year. Stay tuned to Pickup Truck Talk. Tim will be sure to let you know when these drop. As far as weights go, these hold 12,000 pounds. The winches are actually only 33 on account of the webbing itself. But if you've got chains or whatever it is, then the D-ring can hold a full 12,000 pounds. It's quality made. You can see here it's got the grade 8 bolt. You can see it's got the washers. You see it turns very, very freely. You can see there's a stopper on the top of this, so there's nothing coming off here. And then the cross is made from some high quality steel as well. And so it's a beautiful product, solves a very real problem in the trailer industry, and we're happy to be the first ones to come out with it.